She's a bit dirty. Like I said, I don't know. Are you getting on the bus too? Okay. Jalen, who'd you dress up as today? You. Me?
Well, she sure all look like that.
I don't wear shorts. Was it going to be a little warm today? Yeah. She's even got her blender cup. Did you see that? It's homecoming week, so they had dress up week.
Well, it's sure nice to have that backpacking. Blender cup? No, we didn't want that one. Yeah.
Have a good day. You decide you didn't want to be a farm or go to school today?
No.
What are you gonna do?
She's running late.
She's running late. All right, what's your plan?
Gotta go take this steer. Gotta go to the butcher.
Gotta go to the butcher. Good morning. How is everybody? Can you sit here a second? I know, rocks. So this morning it's kind of busy. We gotta take Captain into the butcher, Keaton's show calf. I'm gonna butcher him, and then as soon as we get back, Jason and I are headed to one of the feed mills. Some of you guys know where I'm talking about. To deliver hay. And this morning, there's a broken bale down here of this beautiful, beautiful green grass. Second cutting, and I am scavenging it up for storm. I need to bring me a tub back down here. I use these hay chick nets, which I wish I would have found them years ago, because it would have saved me so much. Like all the broken bales that we have come through, that's what I feed. Stressed at the beginning of the year, thinking we were in a drought. We really were. We weren't getting the rains here that others were, but we were really stressing that we wouldn't have any hay, and now we've kind of got bukus of hay. So if you've sent me messages about hay, feel free to send them again, because we're gonna have enough. Well, we're gonna have plenty to share. I know, rocks. Get away. All right, you ready? He's dropping my semi from my gooseneck to put it on the stock trailer. Good rocks. Okay. Are you ready? All right, let's go. All right, go feed Storm and Rocky real quick, and then I'll help him load Captain, and then I'm hoping he can go by himself to take him, and then that way I can go back home and finish loading my video from last week. And then after we get back from Fenton, we will finish mowing the hay down that we mowed yesterday, or that he started yesterday. That'll probably be on me, so he can get some other stuff done, like work in the shop. I don't know what else. I'm not sure what else everything entails yet. Just lots of stuff to do. Always lots of stuff to do, it seems like, but that's just the name of the game. But look at that sunrise. It's so gorgeous this morning. So pretty. I could probably just put a halter on him, and if not, we'll just try to run him in here. Come on, Cap. Huh?
Some other guys eat it.
They'll eat it.
You might go bite.
Okay, Captain. I'll see you in the freezer.
Good boy.
So I'm not real sure what we're doing with all this mess yet. You can see the sorghum's coming in with the corn. I can't remember who, oh, it was Trevor Bales we were talking to. Not talking to, but we were watching. And he was talking about a variety that has 2 ears on it. We have the silage corn that puts on the double ears. However, it's not going to make a whole lot. We talked about chopping and bagging it to preserve it for next year, because we've already put up over 800, almost 1,000 tons of the other corn, because we didn't think this was going to do anything. And it looks real pretty, but when you shuck it off, shuck it down, it's not filling. So crop insurance guy will be out sometime to look at it and adjust it. There is some alfalfa still right here on the edge, but if you were to walk out in there, it's killed it out now. This is just what's on the outside that didn't get sprayed. We've had really, really good luck with this 2-year corn thing and then going back into alfalfa. So when we go mow down the alfalfa, I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about that later on. But taking the puppy dogs home, and then Jason will pick me up. If you guys remember, this corn sat on the ground for like 8 weeks without ever getting a rain. It just didn't work in our favor, and I really don't know what we're doing with it other than just watching it grow. We talked about even harvesting it, but I guess it'll really come down to what the adjuster says. But there is forage sorghum in there, as well as the corn. All right, puppies are home. I'm gonna grab me a protein shake and a protein bar and probably a bottle of water. Just gonna see if I could just pluck one of these off here for you guys to kind of see. Hold on a second. Can I help you guys? Back up. Oh. Okay. So as you can see, it's putting on, but it's not probably gonna mount to much. It's pretty sad, isn't it? But it is the way it is. Want a piece of corn? All right, come on, guys. Like I said, I don't know what we're going to do with all this. I guess we'll figure it out. Okay. These are my favorite protein bars right now. They're by G2G. They have 18 grams of protein. I don't know. They're just what I kind of gravitated to lately. Almond chocolate chip has been my kind of favorite. I am also going to make a drink. My ice maker went out in my refrigerator like twice now, so I just bought one of those handy dandy little kitchen ones for like a camper or you know, but it works, it does the job. There's no scoop in this one. is in this one. Tell which one I drink the most. This one's just got caffeine in it, and I'm trying really hard to cut some of the caffeine stuff out. I mean, not that I drink a lot of caffeine, but I don't drink soda or anything like that. 1 heaping scoop of protein. Okay. And maybe an apple. I think that'll be good. All right, guys, ready? Let's go deliver some hay. Something like that. Does the hitchhiker have to work? Did you bring me any gloves?
Might be some there might be green.
There's a pair.
Radio.
No semis, huh?
Local delivery.
Local delivery. What? Something like that.
Just think about that.
Whatever. You're a mess. Does it matter that I rolled it up from the back instead of the front?
You're good. There ain't no hook on that end, but I was waiting for it.
It's delivery day.
Don't see my kingpin over there.
What?
Don't see my kingpin over there.
Your kingpin? Did it make it home?
See how that's low? Yeah, it is. That's from pulling out and then dying and kingpin went on.
Guess that's what we'll be fixing this winter. What are you doing? What are you doing? Did you meet Mommy down here? Did you meet Mom to the berry? I hear you, Rocky. Just a minute. Okay. Are you guys having fun yet? It's almost warm enough I don't need my hoodie when I'm moving, but like if I stand in the shade, then it's a little bit chilly. Jason's fueling the 120 in the rake up to get ready to go out and start. And I'll go check cows, and looks like he's gonna grease, and we'll go over there in a minute. Feed my babies first. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. I know, Mom needs to clean out your stall. Maybe tomorrow. You're a bit dirty and nasty. You gotta grease too. Do you want me to do that so you can get your grease gun? Okay.
I guess you can go get your baler, and we need about 4 bundles of corn.
Okay. Okay, so Roxy and I are walking to go get the Sassy Massey. I gotta move a semi because somebody parked it where she probably shouldn't, apparently. So I gotta move things around. Obviously you guys have noticed a time jump from us weaning calves to us in this video. I took some time off. When we change over from running really, really hard to like not really doing much of quote unquote anything, my body goes into this like, oh my gosh, what are we doing state. I run and thrive best on chaos and jam packing my day from like the moment I wake up to the time I go to bed. And I've had a lot of, I wouldn't say downtime because there's plenty still to do, like paperwork and getting my website going and housework and all the things I don't always show you guys. So sometimes my mental health takes a little bit of a beating, but my body is taking a beating. This last year has just been one rough time after another, it seems like. I'm not dying, I'm not going anywhere. I just need to respect her a little bit better, I think. But I gotta do some moving around, so just bear with me a second. Okay. Yeah, because I'm not going to be able to make it around that trailer, I'm sure. Let's just see. Move the skid. Move this a little bit. Go from there. Needs to be washed. Something fierce. Okay. Leave this here. Back this up a little bit. Maybe. Hopefully. Mommy's truck. Come on. Are you gonna go bale today? Do you want to go bale today? I left the semi running just in case I needed to rearrange again. frustration is like you cannot run the hydraulics until this screen comes on. Not a huge ordeal, just don't expect to jump in and go. Clearly this date is wrong. I don't know how to fix that, but it is September 15th. Everything else is right, just the date's off. My backing skills are not as good as Jason's. For obvious reasons. Probably just because I don't do it enough. I eventually get it. It just takes me a little bit longer time to navigate than it does Jason. See, we eventually get it. I just don't always record all of it, do we, Roxy? Sometimes I get a little bit stressed, don't I? It just gets a little bit stressful at times. Yes. Let me yank the trash out. You're just gonna stuff it. All right, stuff it in.
More?
I think so. I just started the bottom of the pallet, so how many's on the bottom of the pallet?
Oh, there's 12 bundles to a row. Oh, I don't know.
I'll have to go and look, I guess. My old accumulator didn't have this. My old accumulator didn't have the lovely little twine shelf. So that was an adjustment that they made from our 1534 to this AE15. Just a difference in the models. One of the main things that we do every time we bale is grease the baler. It's got a nice little chart to tell you where all the grease zerts are. And then some.
We've never gotten it.
Call Terrence to save the day. That's one of the key features over the 1840 is this lovely little pump that greases the knotters. How many pumps do you usually do?
About 20. Till I see it.
She's a bit dirty. Well, then sit here. But we're not leaving yet. Roll it around.
Oh, no, I can't.
Thank you.
Oh.
Need me to roll?
I don't know if there's any more.
I mean, I know what it is because I forgot it. And Greg's had to send it to me. Put any other surprises? Oh, she did. She put surprises in there. You think she knew it was my birthday or something? She filled it up. Okay, well, one. I forgot my cup at Farm Progress Show at the B&B where Kelly and I and Kaylee stayed. Look at that. Kelly Greg's Farms. Don't farm naked. Do you guys get it? It's because she makes cotton, guys. Look at these. Look how cute they are. They're just like mine, only they got Greg's Farms on them. She's so fun. She even sent me my best colors. Look at that. I get to be all fancy like Kelly. So here's a little surprise note. Some of you guys may or may not follow Greg's Farms. Go find Matt and Kelly. They're in my links. But I don't know if Jason's going or not, but I am going to go out to Greg's Farms in Tennessee. And we're going to do cotton. I'm so excited because we've got this running bet. If you guys missed my Farm Progress Show video, you probably need to go watch it. But we watch Kelly and Matt on YouTube. And Kelly and I have become good friends over social media. And it's so important. Like, social media has so many good things. And it does have negative feedback too. But I have so many long distance relationship friends because of social media, because of the connections that we make. And it's nice to be able to talk to other women going through the same thing I'm going through as a farmer, as a mom, as a wife, and all these different things. But anyway, I spilled the beans. I'm going out to Kelly and Matt's for cotton harvest because I called her cotton picker baler thing a cotton ball. And apparently it's a baler, but it's not like my baler. So it's been this big funny thing. Anyways, go follow Greg's Farms if you're following me. They're another farm family. Just doing their thing on YouTube and sharing it. So I am working on a few things this morning, just going through my calendar. I'm working on a couple blog things. Mental health has been weighing on my mind a lot lately, especially as I turn another year older here in 10 days. My birthday is the 25th. With that being said, you guys are awesome. You guys are sending me little care packages, and you guys mean so much to me. Thank you. But it is not necessary. You guys sending just kind words and cards and your thoughts and your comments. You guys, those are what warms my heart. I don't need goodies, but I sure appreciate them. And yeah, without you guys, we wouldn't be still doing this. We'd just be farming. So I'm going to finish up a few things, and then we're going to meet up for lunch, because that's what us local farmers do on Fridays, is we meet up for lunch at our local restaurant uptown. I'll go get fed, and then I have an appointment. As soon as I get done with that, then I'm headed to the baler. So Jason's already raking, which is really, really nice, but also you guys don't get to see that, so I apologize. There'll be more footage tomorrow. So see you in a bit. Beep. Okay, got my lunch, got my water. Actually, it's not even lunch, it's just my snacks. Oh, look who I found. And a pothole. Parked right here today. Wonder if he's already ordered. So I didn't do any videoing at that field just because it was such a fast pace and Jason was like riding my butt trying to load as I was dropping bales. We baled 222 and he's already, I don't know if you guys can see up there, he's got a load there and he's gonna take it back to the shop, unload it, and meet me back at the next field because apparently they're calling for rain. Yay! So we're just gonna bail our little hearts out tonight. But it's also homecoming at school, so I'll have to do some running around for the kids to be there. So, just the way it is. See you in the next one. Or, well, I'll see you in the next field. Just hold on. Okay, well, I was wrong. I did not video at the last field either because I was on the phone. And then Jason got in and helped me finish baling, so then we were talking, so then I didn't video. But I am headed to another field. Promise. There will be footage. So, bear with me. It's not very far. The corn's back there somewhere. It's right behind our house. Walking distance to home. I think we've put up 222 at the first field, 109 at the second one. So what is that? 331? 331? Is that right? Is that my math right? So, it's been short fields, like, 5 acres at the one field and maybe 2.5 at the last field, so not too bad, all considering. This is all second cut, by the way. Thankful that we have a second cut to cut. I did wash my windows before we came to the field, not that you can tell by all the gravel that I've traveled today. You better drop it down, Caleb. Kind of getting to that time of night that really testing everything. It's just a little after 6, so nobody wants to clean out the baler at 6 o'clock. There's some rain moving in tomorrow, and Jason said now it's going to be cloudy, so not the best drying weather, so we are going ahead and raking as much as we possibly can and baling as well.